In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calls and send messages with Gemini. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Gemini ready to place calls and send messages even when your phone is locked, so you can stay hands-free when you need it most. We'll keep things simple and focus on clarity while also pointing out a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening the Gemini app on your phone. Give it a moment to load so everything on the home screen is fully available. If you haven't used Gemini in a while, make sure you're on a recent version so settings appear as shown. This feature is designed to work with your default call and messaging apps, so whatever you normally use for calls and text should be supported once the setting is on. Next, look to the top right corner and tap your profile picture. This opens the account and settings area where Gemini keeps important preferences. If you don't immediately see your photo, it may appear as an account icon or initial. Either way, tap it to continue. Inside, you'll find options that control how Gemini behaves across your device. From there, choose the option labeled Gemini on lock screen. This section manages what Gemini is allowed to do before you've unlocked your phone. Think of it as the control center for quick, voice-first actions when your hands are busy or your phone is out of reach. Now turn on the toggle that says Allow calls and messages without unlocking. When you enable this, Gemini can help you place a call or send a message right from the lock screen. You may see a prompt requesting permissions such as access to contacts or the microphone. Approve these so Gemini can find the right person to call or message, understand your voice command, and confirm details back to you. If your device supports additional safeguards like recognizing your voice or asking for a quick confirmation, those checks help prevent accidental actions. A quick note on privacy. Enabling this makes communication faster, but it also means certain actions are available without fully unlocking your phone. If you share your device or often leave it unattended, consider whether this suits your needs. You can return to this same setting at any time to turn it off. If the option isn't visible, ensure your app and device software are up to date and try again. That's all there is to it. With this setting on, you can let Gemini handle quick calls and messages right from the lock screen so you stay connected with less friction.